Basics of textual coding. To start with the textual coding, you should have a clear understanding of the following coding concepts. Print command. The print function prints the specified message to the screen or other standard output device. Also, the print command can be used to provide the information anywhere in the code. It is very useful to know the status of your code. Syntax: print, message, or value. For example, print "I love coding." Usage: to print the output. Block code, textual code. Variable. Variables are containers for storing data values. A variable is a name which refers to a value. A variable is created when a value is assigned with the help of an assignment operator. Print statement is used to display the values of variables. Block code, textual code. The rules for naming a variable in Python are as follows. The name should begin with an uppercase or a lowercase alphabet or an underscore sign. This may be followed by any combination of characters, lowercase a to z, uppercase a to z, 0 to 9, or underscore. A variable cannot start with a digit. It can be of any length. It is preferred to keep it short and meaningful. It should not be a keyword or reserved word. Special symbols like exclamation mark, @, $, %, and so on cannot be used in variables. Input command. The input function allows user input. There are two types of input commands. A. Asking the user to provide the input. Example, asking for name. Block code. Textual code. Output. B. User providing his own input. Example, asking for name. Block code. Textual code. Output. Data types. Every value needs to be assigned to a specific data type to make the variable more readable by a computer. Python has many data types built in by default. Some of them are data types, block-based, textual code. Example, integer, int, -1, -2, 0, 1, 13. Float, float, 0.33, 2.5, 3.9. Boolean, bool, true, false. String, str, double quotes, high coder. Arithmetic operations. Arithmetic operations are used in Python for performing mathematical operations on variables and values. Python has 7 arithmetic operations. Data type identifies what the type of data that the declared variable can hold. Operator, block-based, meaning, example. Addition, add 2 operands or unary plus, x plus y. Subtraction, subtract right operand from the left or unary minus, x minus y. Multiplication, multiply 2 operands, x multiplied by y. Division, divide left operand by the right one, always results into float, x divided by y. Modulus, remainder of the division of left operand by the right, remainder of x divided by y, x modulus y. Exponentiation or power operator, a type of multiplication where a value is multiplied with itself for a certain number of times. X raised to the power y.